How to rename files? Why this video? Everybody knows that. But do you know that you can rename the file while working on it, or even change its location without leaving the app itself? Let me show you how to do that. I'm Luke, and I'm here to help you master your Mac and use it to its full potential. And one of the most basic things you need to do in any computer operating system is to rename files and folders. There are several ways to do this on the Mac. Here I am in the Finder, and let's say I want to rename this file. All I need to do is to select it and then click on the name again, or use right click and select rename file in the context menu. Now it seems that there is no keyboard shortcut for this, but actually there is. All you need to do is to select the file and then press return. That brings you right into rename mode. You can type new name and press return again when you're done. Note that if you ever need to change the extension, you can do that as well. It's just not initially selected when you go to rename, but you can move the cursor there and select it manually. Or you can actually quickly do it using Command A shortcut, which selects all. So a combination of return and Command A will quickly select the entire file name so you can change it. But that's not the only way how to rename files. In fact, you can rename files while you have the app open. For example, I have this Pages document here, so let's open it. And I can actually rename it while I'm working on it. Years ago, you would expect to save the file, close it, rename it in the Finder, and then open it again. But now, you can actually do it while you are right in the middle of working on it. And it's actually very intuitive. Simply click the title like that, and it will bring up a little dialog box that allows you to rename the file. And in that, you can even move the file to a new location while you have it open. It's perfectly okay to do these things, nothing will happen to the file. Now there are a few other ways to rename files. You can even rename multiple files at the same time. If you select more of them, then right click it, and here you will notice that there are now 3 dots after rename, meaning it's going to bring up a dialog for further instructions. You get options like replacing text, adding a date or a number, and you can rename all these files at once. Honestly, I don't really use this option, but if you will ever need it, you know where to find it now. So these are the really basics for renaming files on your Mac. Even though it's a pretty simple task, you can see there are different ways and shortcuts to make it even better. And not only this simple task can be speed up. If you want to speed up your overall workflow, stay with me and subscribe so I can show you more in the next video. This is Luke, and I will see you again.